Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, my apologies. I'm coming back after a long time. उसकी वजह ये थी कि I was not watching any dramas. I couldn't find anything good to review about. So anyways, now recently अब जिस ड्रामे का मैं रिव्यू देने के लिए आई हूँ उसको मैंने बहुत actually finish ही इस वजह से किया because I realized, oh my god, it only has 13 episodes. So I can just, run it quickly and see. So I started watching the first few episodes, then I gave up, and then I did the last few episodes all together, like. So अब मेरा ये opinion जो ड्रामा मैं बता रही हूँ उसका नाम है अब्दुल्लापुर का देवदास. Now इसके बारे में कुछ मेरी opinion यूँ है. First of all, सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे इसकी यही लगी थी कि it is completed in 13 episodes. So it's what I always say कि ड्रामों को थोड़ा short होना चाहिए, स्टोरी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, और दूसरी चीज़ ये कि एक्टिंग भी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. ऑब्वियसली स्टोरी एंड एक्टिंग गो हैंड इन हैंड. सो इस ड्रामे का मैं ये कहूँगी कि एक्सेलेंट स्क्रिप्ट, वाओ. एंड उससे भी ज़्यादा जो मुझे इसकी सबसे अच्छी चीज़ पसंद आई थी वो इसकी म्यूज़िक है. इसके जो गाने हैं, उनके लिरिक्स, उनकी म्यूज़िक, इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. इट्स आउट ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग 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 टाइम actually I've heard something that I want to listen to it again or play it in my car, on repeat. So म्यूज़िक के बारे में मैं जितना भी बोलूँ वो कम है. बहुत बहुत अच्छा था. और तीसरी जो मुझे इसकी सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये भी लगी, द एक्टर बिलाल अब्बास. Now I hope I have got his name correct. The guy did excellent. I mean, I've seen him before and he always chooses very difficult roles, very different roles to the ones that he'd done before. And I've noticed something about this guy. He knows how to act. He knows how to completely change himself according to the character, in which he did fantastically in this role, Abdullapur Ka Devdas. He honestly made me feel that he is Devdas, he is Abdullapur ka rehne wala, like a chota sa village in Pakistan. So all those things were so believable. And then his acting, actually, he just stole the show. So I would say that an ordinary man, I mean, he's not like, if you look at his face and his features, he's not like, I would say he's an ordinary looking guy, but in this show, he becomes a hero. So an ordinary guy turns into a hero by watching this Abdullapur Ka Devdas. So hats off to him. Now, जो हीरोइन थी उसकी भी एक्टिंग अच्छी थी, और ऑब्वियसली ऑलवेज से के साइड के एक्टर्स की तो हमेशा ही एक्टिंग अच्छी होती है. नाउ द वन टर्न ऑफ इन दिस प्ले वॉज जो इसका जो इसकी जिन्होंने इसको पाला होता है अब्दुल्लापुर के देवदास को, इसका जो एक मुंह बोला भाई कह लो या ब्रदर ही कह लो ऑलमोस्ट, जो काइंड ऑफ दूसरा देवदास बन जाता है इन दिस प्ले, उसकी एक्टिंग मुझे एक तो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई. ऊपर से जो केमिस्ट्री उसकी दिखाई थी कि द गर्ल, she watches him recite a poetry at a college function and she feels head over heels in love with him. It just didn't make sense because, number one, to start with, the guy had no personality. Somebody with a personality might have seemed, like that it can happen, because if you look at someone who's reciting poetry who has, like a personality, you would fall for him. But someone like his, like the person that they chose for this character, well, he was just not a suitable character to play this role. I feel he just totally destroyed the beautiful story, the beautiful dialogues, and the impact that usually one has in these kind of plays. He kept, he was one of those people, like, bad character was spoiling the good script, the good story, a good love story. I always feel in order to have a good hero, you have to have a good villain as well. So in this case, like, I feel also that the character, the Chacha who was playing a villain, and the guy, they didn't have much to do in this play. So their characters were almost like non-existent. And this brother type character who becomes a Devdas, who goes away into isolation, is running away from this love or whatnot, just did not feel like love at all. He didn't एक्चुअली. दोनों लड़की और इस लड़के की केमिस्ट्री नहीं नज़र आ रही थी. कहीं से नहीं लग रहा था लड़की भी उसको लाइक कर रही है, और लड़का भी नहीं लग रहा था कि कहीं से इतना देवदास जो बना हुआ है कि वो उसको पसंद कर रहा है. तो एनीवे, दैट वाज अ बिग टर्न ऑफ एंड नॉट गुड बिकॉज देयर वाज नो केमिस्ट्री एंड द गाय हैड नो पर्सनैलिटी. आई वुड थिंक समवन लाइक अमिताभ बच्चन अगर खड़े होके, you know, in his Jawani, he was reciting a poem, one would say, oh, okay, wow, you know, a girl can fall for him, but not somebody like this guy. Now, जो चीज़ें मुझे पसंद आई, the beginning was good, and the ending was very good. Ending was just like amazing. I love the scene with the chhatri, though I did was question myself that why, how did she come up with the chhatri? She was just getting married or sitting as a bride. Where did she find this chhatri that was left, like, you know, some time ago? So how did she find the same chhatri and she had it in her hand when she's walking behind him and she's calling out for him? चलो अगर मैं उस सारे सीन को इग्नोर भी कर दूं कैसे छतरी आई है, तो स्टिल आई कैन से कि वो सीन इट्सल्फ कि यू नो मेरी छतरी वापस कर, तो वाज गुड, यू नो. इस पूरे ड्रामे में छक्के चौके तो लगे हैं, काफ़ी ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स भी आए दैट कीप यू, यू नो, इंटरेस्टेड. मैं सब कुछ इग्नोर कर दूँ, एडिटिंग फॉल्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, चलो फिर भी आई वुड लुक एट इट एज अ देवदास स्टोरी, दीवानगी की स्टोरी, आशिकी की स्टोरी. So anyways, last scene I felt was very impactful and very powerful. And music also helps. If you have good songs and good music, अगर थोड़ी बहुत बेवकूफ़ियाँ भी होंगी स्टोरी में या कुछ एक्टिंग में फॉल्ट्स होंगी, तो वो जो गाने जो बैकग्राउंड में बजाते हैं वो उसको कवर अप कर देते हैं. सो आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द स्टोरी, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द अम्ब्रेला इंसिडेंट. और क्या चीज़ थी जो मुझे इसमें अच्छी लगी? But I guess that was it basically. So hopefully you like my review. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Till we meet again. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.